So our question number 2 naman po is ito po. Question number 2 naman po, ito po is a 500 kilovolt 3-phase transmission line is 250 km long. The series impedance is 7 equals to 0.045 plus J 0.4 ohms per phase per kilometer. And the shunt admittance naman po is Y equals to J4 times 10 raised to negative 6 Siemens per phase per kilometer. Evaluate the equivalent pi model and the transmission matrix. So, ito po yung given po natin. Line voltage is 500 kilovolt. Length is 250 km. And our impedance naman po is 0.045.J0.4 ohms per kilometer. And for the shunt admittance naman po natin is Y equals to J4 times 10 raised to negative 6 Siemens per kilometer. So, kunin naman po natin yung total na impedance po natin is po, Z times the length po is 0.045 plus J 0.4 tatimes po natin sa length po is 250 equal po ng Z po natin is 11.25 plus J 100 ohms. Yan po yung total impedance po natin. And for the shunt admittance naman po is Y times length. So, ang Y po natin is J4 times 10 raised to negative 6. Tatimes po natin sa length is 250. And the total po ng Y po natin is J 0.001 Siemens. And for the Y over 2 naman po natin is total of J 0.0005 Siemens. And for the our nominal pi model naman po is ito po yung ating formula. So, bago po natin magamit ng formula, kunin po muna natin yung YJ natin. So, ano po yung YJ natin? Yung total Y po natin is sa times po natin sa Z, which is ito po, J 0.001. Ito po yung Y natin. Tatimes po natin sa J is times 11.25 plus J 100. So, ito po yung total po ng YJ natin, which is 0.1 plus J 0.01125. And for our B naman po, ang B po kasi natin is equals to Z. So, ano po yung total impedance po natin? Ito din po yung total ng B natin. Is equals to 11.25 plus J 100 ohms. And for the our A and D po natin, ito po yung ating formula. Makuha na po natin ang AD po natin. Is equals to 1 plus our YJ, which is negative 0.1 plus J 0.0112 over 2. Ito po yung total ng A and D natin is 0.95 plus J 0.005625. And for our C naman po, ito po yung formula. So, una po naman natin gagawin is kukunin po muna natin itong YJ over 4, which is ito po, is negative 0.1 plus J 0.01125 over 4. And ito po yung sagot is negative 0.025 plus J 0.0028125. And ito naman po, yung para ito naman po yung next natin kukunin is yung total po nitong 1 plus YJ over 4 po natin, which is ipa-plus lang po natin 1 dito po sa total ng YJ over 4 natin, which is ito po is 0.975 plus J 0.0028125. So, ito na po yung total po ng 1 plus YJ over 4 po natin. So, may natitira pa tayong Y. So, ang Y po natin is J 0.001. Tatimes po natin ito ng 0.975 plus J 0.0028125. So, ito po yung total C natin, which is negative 2.81 times 10 raised to negative 6 plus J 0.000975 Siemens. Ito po yung total C natin. Ayan, ito po yung total C natin. And ito po yung total matrix po natin, which is A, B, C, D. Ito po yung sagot po natin sa question number 2. Ito po.